Okay. Hello, Marcela. Hello, Juan. How are you today?
Hello, teacher. I'm fine. And what about you?
Okay, that's excellent. I'm doing great today. Thank you for asking. I'm ready to start our class for today. So welcome. Hello, Saul. Welcome. How are you today?
Hello, I'm fine.
Okay, that's nice. Welcome to our class. Well, everybody, thank you for coming on time to our class. It's good to have you here. As you remember, today we finished the third week of this level, so it's one more week left. So everybody, I'm happy to have you here in our class, and I hope everybody's ready to practice. Okay, so we will start in a moment. Marcela, thank you for being here. Saul, thank you for being here. Juan is, I guess he is here, but he's taking care of his kid. But we're going to start, guys. For today's class, we have a game. Okay, we will start, guys, with a game. So everybody, let's play a game. What is the game? Give me a second, everybody. What is the game about? Well, everybody, the game is Scramble words. We will have, everybody, we will have 5 letters. Scramble. Let's see. Scramble words. Give me a second, guys. Scramble words. Okay. So everybody, you will have 5 letters. In 4 minutes and 30, you have. Oh, Marcela, you didn't find it on YouTube?
Yes, in YouTube, teacher. I wanted to watch in yesterday's class, but I didn't.
What time did you check?
And
In the morning?
No, around 1 hour ago.
Really? Well, I will check that because I upload the class during the afternoon. Maybe I made a mistake at the moment of uploading the channel, but I will look for it. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So everybody, in this opportunity, we will we will have 5 letters. So you have to tell me words using some of those letters. So you can use 2, 3, 4, or 5 letters, guys, to complete this chart. Okay. In this opportunity, guys, we have ARTMS. So if you can tell me, guys, a word with these letters, it would be nice. Okay. So all of you can participate, guys. Saul, Marcela, and Juan.
Sorry, what is the...
Okay, as you can see, we have 5 letters. You have to tell me words using some of those letters.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's see. You have 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes, everybody. You have to be fast.
About, what is the topic?
Oh, you can use the letters. That's the only thing. That's the only rule.
Okay.
Juan, Marcela, Saul, any word? Okay, I will. Art. Okay, we have A-R-T. Okay, that's nice. That's a word. Okay, very good. That's a word, everybody. Now let's continue with another word. Guys? Marcela, Juan? Let's see. Marcela, can you tell me a word?
I don't know, teacher. Rat.
Rat. Okay, yes, that's correct. We have R-A-T. So we have rat. Excellent. We have two targets. Let's see, any other word? One, any word? Marcela,
Smart.
Saul, another word?
Smart.
Oh, very good. We have smart. Okay, so we use all the letters in this word. Excellent. Okay, guys, so we found 3 target words. That's something nice. Any other word?
Mm,
You have, well, 2 minutes. Yes, Marcela?
Arms.
Arm, yes, it's another word. And let's see. Very good, it's another target word. So we have, guys, well, we complete 4 words. So we still have time, guys, to complete the last 2 words. So tell me, guys, what do you think is the correct word? So one word, well, the 2 words start with letter A, and one of the words finish with letter S. You have 1 minute.
mm,
Okay, you have
maybe
40 seconds. Yes, Saul?
Arts. Plural.
Oh, arms in plural. Okay, yeah, that's a great option. Let's see. Okay, yeah, we have that word, so that's correct. Okay, pay attention, guys. The last word is AR space S. So what could be the correct letter?
arts, plural.
Arts in plural. Okay, nice, everybody. Let's see. Very good. So we found, everybody, all the words in our first round. So congratulations, everybody. You did an amazing job. Okay, so we complete all the words in our first round, and all of the words were target words. So that's nice. Let's move to the next round. Let's see, give me a second. Okay, look at this. We have letters. Give me a second. What happened? Oh, what happened? I don't know what happened, guys.
Recording in progress.
Okay, let me see. Okay, give me a second, everybody. Welcome, Brian. How are you today?
Hi, teacher. A little tired, but I'm here. It's okay.
Okay, well, I'm happy to have you here in our class. So we will start. Well, we are playing a game right now. The game is Scramble words. So you have to tell me words using the letters that we have on the screen. So let's see, in this opportunity, guys, in this round, you have to tell me words. Give me a second. Oh, using the letters I-T-G-H-N. Okay, you can start, everybody.
Coin.
Oh, we don't have letter O.
Ah.
Sorry, think.
Oh, thin. Yeah, that's a good one. T-H-I-N-G. Let's see.
Think.
Great,
Think.
everybody. So you have a
Thank.
target word. Any other?
Night.
Night. Yes. Okay, that's another target word. So night. I know this is not a target word, I guess. No, this is just a bonus, but great. You have a letter G. Continue, guys.
Mm. Then.
Oh, thin.
A person then, right?
Okay, very good.
An
Thin.
adjective.
So pretty good. We have a target word. That's nice. Aha. Next words. What do you think?
Going.
Oh, repeat again.
Going. Right?
Going?
Going like this.
No.
Oh, but we don't have letter C.
Yeah. See. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
No,
He-
going. No, going is not there.
Yeah.
It's 5 letters. Yeah. And
Hit.
Heat. Very good,
hit
Brian.
like this. Hit.
Heat. Okay. Yeah, this one is correct. Okay. So very good. This is a bonus word, but okay, we are doing great. Next word.
No damage.
So what do you think, guys?
Gin. No.
Gin,
No,
like
no.
G-I-N? I don't know,
Yes.
guys. I'm not pretty sure,
No,
but I
no.
think yes, this is a word. Yes, everybody. This is a target word. So you
I
did
don't
it,
know
guys.
what the meaning is that word.
We will look in a moment. Okay, don't worry. Right now, focus on making some new
Thin.
words.
Thin. Yeah.
Tin.
Tin.
10.
Tin.
Okay, let's see.
We can try it.
Okay, great,
Huh?
guys. You did it nice.
Ah,
Nif.
no.
N-E-T-H.
N,
And
I,
I.
Yeah.
T-H.
N-I-T-H. Yeah.
T-H. Okay.
Yes.
No, that's not a word.
At least we tried it.
Yeah, it's good to try it, guys. So you can do it like that. Huh?
Mm,
We can try
maybe
with I and the first to the right and with I and G. No, G.
G?
Right.
yeah.
G-H. Okay. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yes, of course, that's the right word. And we have the last word to find it.
New.
Near.
What does mean? G.
G could be
G.
I obviously
N
and T at the end.
H.
H.
Well, we didn't finish, guys. I don't know what was the word. We will check in a moment. Just let's see. Okay, as you could see, guys, well, we found 5 of 6 words. The words everybody were, let me see. Okay, all the words everybody were thin, thin, night, and thin. And yes, the missed word was hand. Okay, so it was great, everybody, and we have 2 bonus words, night and hit. Okay, so it was a great round, everybody. I really congratulate you because at the first time, you completed you found all the words. In this opportunity, maybe it was a little bit more difficult, but you did an amazing job. So everybody, claps for you for all your effort. Oh, talking about the meaning of these words, everybody, let me tell you that gin, actually, I don't know what is, okay, I don't know what it is in Spanish, but I think it's a kind of alcohol. So gin.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a kind of alcohol you can drink. So you can go to the bar and
I
ask
heard
for.
about it.
Okay. Okay, Juan.
I'm already
Then
hearing
everybody, tin is another way to say believe. Tin, T-I-N.
10.
And then everybody, nigh, which is N-I-G-H, it's another way to say close or near. Okay, so it's those are not common words, but it's good to know, right? So everybody, this was a game to start our class, as you can see. So, well, this in this unit, we were talking about decisions. So in this game, everybody, we also have to take decisions. Why? We have to take decisions, everybody, to create or to make, everybody, some words. Even though we are not sure about some of these words, we have to take decisions and guess if it is, or see if it is correct or not. Well, guys, it was nice to start the class playing a game, and I'm so happy we have more students right now. So we have Hector, Omar, also Brian. Well, Maria is here, but she's a listener today. So welcome to our class. Remember, guys, in this unit, we have two important topics. The first one was the third conditional. And this is a short review about the third conditional. Please, everybody, pay attention to Hector. Hector, help me reading right now give me a second. Okay, help me reading the structure, the usage, and one example. Okay, go ahead, Hector.
Okay, can you hear me, teacher?
Yes, I can hear you very well.
My internet is too slow. Imaginary situation in the past. If I had got a good meal, I would have been happy.
Oh, can you help me now with the structure? The structure, if plus.
If plus past perfect conditional.
Okay, nice. So everybody, as you can see, well, when we're talking about third conditional, of course, we are talking about imaginary situations in the past. Remember that both part of the sentences are talking about imaginary things. For example, everybody, if you see the structure, guys, in the if plus, we are talking about an imaginary condition. So if that condition had been true, so then I would have had one result, or I would have had a result. But as you can see, guys, also the perfect conditional in the main clause of the clause of the sentence, it's an imaginary result. Look at the example that Omar helped us reading. If I had got a gold medal, I would have been happy. But over here, guys, we can see that this is an imaginary situation. First of all, guys, because we didn't get a gold medal. Okay, maybe we got a silver or a bronze medal, but not a gold. So in this case, everybody, as you can see, we are talking about an imaginary condition. Of course, since we have an imaginary condition, also we have an imaginary result. Okay, if I had got a gold medal, I would have been happy, but I didn't get a gold medal, so I am not happy, or I were not happy. I was not happy. I'm sorry. So everybody, talking about imaginary conditions or imaginary situations in the past. Also, guys, this is another great example. Give me a second. I will show it to you. If the weather had been good, we would have gone water skiing, but maybe it was raining, so we couldn't go water skiing. Okay, as you see, guys, we're talking about imaginary conditions and what could have been the imaginary result. Okay, can you think about one example about an imaginary situation? I will give you, everybody, 30 seconds to think about an imaginary condition. And you can tell me, everybody, okay, your sentence in third conditional, okay? Take 30 seconds and then I listen to your examples. About the third conditional. So let's talk about imaginary conditions and the imaginary result of this condition. Brian, can you tell me one example?
Sorry, teacher, what you say?
Hello, Brian. Can you tell me one example using the third conditional? Your own example.
Okay. Oh my God. Is I created one, okay, right? Okay.
Yeah, you
It's
have to create one
I
example.
don't, I had call and I don't exercise. I'm sorry. Give me 1 second.
Okay, okay. Well, I will give you 1 second. Juan, can you tell me one example about this?
Which one?
Oh, your own example.
If the weather has been gone good, we have gone water skiing.
Okay, good. But did you create your example?
About the weather?
No, your own example about the third conditional?
Okay, okay. Well, if I had connected earlier to the class, I would have known what are you talking about.
Okay, pretty good. If I had connected earlier to the class, give me a second, to the class, comma, I would have known
what are you talking about.
Excellent. What were you talking
about?
Excellent. That's a great example. So if I had connected earlier to the class, I would have known what were you talking about. But maybe, guys, you didn't connect on time or you didn't connect early, so then you don't know what is the topic, okay? But remember, today is just a review. Great example,
Sorry, by
Juan.
the way. Sorry, by the way.
Oh, don't worry, Juan. It was really nice. I like it. That's good. Okay. Any other example that you have, everybody? Marcela, do you have an example, your own example about the third conditional?
For example, if she had taken Uber, she would have get early.
Okay, if she had taken an Uber, she would have been earlier. Okay, that's a great example. If she had taken an Uber, she would have been earlier, but she didn't take an Uber, so she was late. Okay, well done. As you see, guys, when we are using the third conditional, we always talk about imaginary situations and the imaginary result of that situation. Great examples, guys. We will continue right now because we have another important topic that we studied yesterday. And it was, everybody, about the modals, the past modals, or another way to call these modals, everybody, are models of lost opportunities. As you remember, guys, during these classes, we have been talking about decisions that, well, were important or are important in our life. We were talking about things that maybe we did wrong, and now obviously we can't change, but we would like to do things in a different way. So then, everybody, we use these modals to talk about those lost opportunities we had in the past, and maybe we regret about it, or we think in a different way nowadays. Pay attention to it. I will read it, everybody, and then you help me with the 3 modals. Models of lost opportunity show something that almost happened, but didn't. To use them, add the past participle verb after the modals. You can use not for a, you can also use not for a negative sentence. As you know, everybody, we can use these modals in the way they are in the examples, but also, guys, we can use them in a negative way. So I couldn't have, I shouldn't have, or I wouldn't have. Okay, let's check our examples. To start with this practice, everybody, pay attention to Omar. Okay, Omar, help me reading the example about could have. Hello, Omar. Okay, help me out with the first part. Saul, read the examples about could have.
Okay. Could have. Could is one of the modals in the past that indicate possibilities or polite requests. Example, I could have applied for the job, but I didn't want to.
Well, guys, in the case you lost a job opportunity in any time in your life, everybody, so you feel kind of familiar with this example. As you can see, guys, when we use could have, we are talking about possibilities. Remember that we talk about abilities, but also, everybody, we use it to talk about possibilities we had in the past. Maybe we didn't take that opportunity or that possibility to do it, but now we express that we had the possibility to do it. I could have applied for that job, but I didn't want to. So you decided not to do it, guys. Now, okay, you can see that you could have decided in a different way, but you didn't do it, guys. So that's why these are the models of lost opportunities, because they talk about something that never happened, but almost happened. Or in some cases, guys, it almost happened. Okay, let's check the next example. And well, let's continue with Marcela. Marcela, help me out with should have information.
Should have. Should have means something would have been a great decision or action. However, you didn't do it. Example, I should have studied for the test.
Excellent. Okay, remember, when we use should have, everybody, we are talking about good ideas or a great decision or action. But everybody, you didn't do it. I should have studied for the test, but I didn't do it, so I got a bad grade. I know, guys, this is not an example for you because you always have good grades. So that's something I really congratulate you guys. So it can happen with some other people, guys, that don't like studying. So they say they take the exam, everybody, and then they say, I should have studied for the test. And they don't have a good result, so they don't continue or they don't pass the exam. But as I mentioned, guys, this modal is when we think about something we did in the past that could be a great idea or a great decision, but we didn't do. Okay, let's continue, guys, with the last modal, which is would have. And this opportunity, guys, let's pay attention to Hector. Okay, Hector, help me reading the use of would have.
I would have been there, but you didn't call me.
Excellent job. In the information, guys, would have is to discuss something you wanted to do but didn't. In this opportunity, guys, you show that you want to do it, but because of excuses or because of anything that happened in that moment, you didn't do it. Okay, all of these examples are talking about things that we didn't do, but maybe in the first part, in the use of could have, we had the possibility. And should have, we think it was a great idea. And then in would have, everybody, we had the time, or we had, everybody, the feeling of doing it, but we didn't do it. This is something important for you guys, because at the moment of using these modals, you can express something that didn't happen in the past, but maybe you were about to do it, okay? Even though you didn't do it. Okay, remember that this is just a review of these modals. So now, everybody, it's our time to make a grammar practice. Everybody, look at examples. As you can see, some of these examples, guys, well, all of these examples are talking about decisions that happened in the past or something that happened in the past. Please, guys, try to use the correct modal and the correct structure for these examples, okay? We will check in a moment. So right now, I will give you 1.5 minutes to check what is the correct form in each blank space, okay? Right now, please complete the example on your mind, or you can write the answers on your notebook. So then, everybody, we will complete the example together over here in our class, okay? You have 1.5 minutes. So you can do it, guys. 1.5 minutes. Remember that we can use the 3 past modals. We can use could have, should have, should have, and would have. Okay, everybody, time's up. So right now we will check together what are the right answers in these sentences. Today in the class, we are 6 people. Well, 5 of you can participate. So we will complete some examples together. For example, guys, number 1, we will complete it all together. The sentence says, we to Australia, but Craig didn't want to retire. It is showing past possibility. So what do you think is the correct form of the answer?
Couldn't have.
Could have.
Okay, could have. So we can say, we could have, what is the verb that we use, everybody?
Moved. Moved.
Moved. Excellent. So we could have moved. Oops, give me a second. Okay, we could have moved to Australia, but Greg didn't want to retire, so he wants to continue studying. Well, working in this case. That's something good. Okay, great job. As you can see, guys, well, two people told me the answer, and it was great. We could have moved. Now, everybody, I want to listen to all of you practicing in some examples. Right now, pay attention to everybody pay attention to Hector. Okay, Hector, tell me sentence number 2. What is the correct, what is the complete sentence?
Where were you the whole day? You could have called me.
You could have called me. Okay, that was great. Thank you for your answer. Let's continue with Marcela. Marcela, help me with number 3. What do you think is the correct answer?
Okay. If I had known the economy was going to decline, let me see. I wouldn't have spent a lot of money.
I wouldn't have spent, a lot of money. Okay, great. That's an amazing example. Thank you. Let's continue with Juan. Help me with example 4, Juan. What do you think is the right answer?
And I would have come.
I would have
come.
I would have come if
You have told me about the meeting.
Okay, nice. I would have come if you had told me about the meeting. So imaginary situations and imaginary results. Very good. Okay, thank you. Let's continue with Saul. Help me out with number 5, Saul.
Vendor could have opened a store in the city, but she didn't want to.
Oh, the vendor could have opened a store in the city, but she didn't want to. Okay, that's nice. Thank you. Let's move to example 6. Omar, can you help me with example 6? The example number 6 is talking about regret. Okay, well, I think Omar is having troubles with the microphone. So let's, oh yeah, you're over there. Thank you. Oh, repeat again, Omar.
Should have.
Should in affirmative or in negative?
Negative.
Ah, shouldn't have. And what is the verb?
It.
Okay. And the past participle of it. What is the past participle of it, everybody? Eaten. Okay. So Lola shouldn't have eaten too much before the wedding. So she couldn't eat more during the wedding. That's just too sad. Okay. Very good. Thank you guys, because all of you helped me with these examples. Right now, I want to hear you with our next exercises. My mom by now. So the verb, everybody, is arrive. What do you think is the correct sentence?
Should have arrived by now.
Okay, should have arrived.
Arrived.
Okay, my mom should have arrived by now. Okay, that's a nice example. And then we have example 8. Believe me, I to the party, but I didn't have time. What do you think is the correct answer?
Could have.
Exactly.
Could have gone. Okay, very good. Believe me, I could have gone to the party, but I didn't have time. Okay, that's nice. Guys, I'm so happy to check that all of the examples are correct in grammar. In some cases, guys, maybe we could use more than one more than one answer was possible. For example, everybody, okay, example number one, could, no other answer, everybody, because we're talking about possibility. The same case, everybody, in example 6, because we're talking about regret. And remember that should have or shouldn't have is always talking about great ideas that we could have taken, or regret. Then everybody, in example number 2, you could have called me. Yes, it's possible. So I could say that that's the best answer. Number 3, because it's number 3 and 4, because they are third conditional, would or wouldn't, would have or wouldn't have, and that's it. Then everybody, number 5, yeah, it could be could have or wouldn't have, or would have, I mean. Let me see. I wrote a letter N that is not correct. So the vendor could have opened. So I could say, guys, that could have opened or would have opened. Both of them were possible. Example 6 is correct, guys. Example 7, my mom should have arrived by now. Yeah, it's okay. And the last example, guys, believe me, I could have gone to the party, but I didn't have time. Yeah, could have gone, it's possible, and also would have gone, okay? Because maybe you had or you wanted to do something, but there is an excuse that you have to make. Okay, everybody, so great examples, great job. Right now, everybody, now that we practice grammar, it's time to practice grammar, but in an oral way. So right now, guys, what's a decision you took that could have changed your life if you had decided differently? Discuss it with your classmates using the third conditional and past modal verbs, and mention what would have changed in your life if that had happened. Let me tell you about this, guys. Right now, think about a decision that could have made everything different as it is right now. For example, guys, let me tell you that when I was 15 years old, I had the opportunity to take a scholarship, okay? At the beginning, guys, I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to take the scholarship because I had to change my my schedule at school. So I always went to the school in the morning, so I had to change from the morning to the afternoon, and I didn't want to do it. So then, everybody, I thought I wouldn't take that opportunity, but my mom told me that I had to do it because it will help me in my life, and also because my classmates won't be forever in my life, and that was true. At the end, everybody, I took the opportunity of the scholarship, and well, that's why I can speak English nowadays, because I learned English in that scholarship. So then, guys, what is my lost opportunity? In this case, it's not a lost opportunity, but what is my example using the third conditional or the past modals? Well, guys, if I hadn't taken that opportunity, I would have never learned English, because, well, my family doesn't have the money to pay for English classes. And maybe I would never have looked for an opportunity to learn English as a school as these classes you have. Okay, so right now, guys, think about a decision that could have changed your life and discuss it with your classmates. Okay, everybody, do you have any question about that activity?
No.
No questions. Nice. Okay, guys, if you don't have any question, right now, give me a second. I will move you to groups, everybody. You have, well, you will have around 5 minutes to speak about that decision, okay? Remember, guys, if you finish talking, okay, so if you finish with your part, so your next classmate can speak about his or her decision, okay, everybody? So right now you have 5 minutes. We will continue in 5 minutes, okay? See you in a moment. Okay, everyone. Hello, Juan.
Hey, hello.
Well, in this opportunity, you will be the only that will practice because Maria, well, today she's just a listener. So maybe you can talk
Ah,
to her if she can comment to your decision or she can answer on the chat. It will be nice. Okay.
the topic is a decision that you took before, and in that decision did many change in your life.
Not really. The activity it's about talking about a decision that you took, of course, and
Huh?
how that decision could have changed your life. For example, you took that
Yeah,
decision.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
What
Yeah.
could have happened if you didn't if you wouldn't have taken that decision? Okay.
Could be a good decision or a bad decision.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Okay. I come back in a moment. You can practice now.
Okay.
If I had if I had taken the English class before, I would I would uh, I would have working in our in our course in a call center, for example.
Or you know, right now I speak English. I can speak English right now.
Yeah.
Well, guys, remember to
If
use
you
the grammar that we are learning, right? So I could have learned, for example.
Okay.
I could have learned.
How I do.
I could have learned. I could have learned right now because learn the other languages is so difficult.
Class May. Hi.
What?
¿Cómo, how the model correct the sentences?
About that?
No entendí qué dijo el teacher.
Oh, the grammar that we are using. So remember that we are using could have, should have, and would have. Okay, that's the only thing.
Ah, okay. Thank
Yeah.
Uh, I I would uh, I would have changed my life if started every day making doing the homework in the platform or doing the exercise in my notebook. It's too difficult to use the
Okay, everybody, it's time to continue practicing right now. So I want to listen to some of your examples. Okay, to start with this, we will start with Juan. Okay, so Juan, you will be my volunteer because, well, Maria listened to you, I guess. But I
Sorry,
want,
I couldn't participate with her because my baby wake up. I have
okay.
to put to sleep again. So sorry.
Oh, okay, so don't worry. So I want to listen to one of you guys, Hector or Omar. Who can help me? Can you help me, Hector, with your examples?
okay, teacher. Uh, if I had studied English before when I was studying in the high school, maybe right now I would have worked in the best job in this moment. For example, example, maybe in a call center is a good job.
Okay. Okay, that's a great job, Hector. I really like your sentences. They were really nice. So thank you for sharing. And yes, that's something that maybe could have been different, but something good, Hector, is that now you are learning English and in maybe in a month or two, you will be able to apply for a call center and maybe you can change your work, okay? And you can have a better economy, I guess, because that's the main thing when you work in a call center. So your economy change or improves a lot, okay?
Yeah.
So thank you for sharing, Hector. What about you, Omar? Can you tell me your examples? Hello, Omar. Okay, maybe Omar is having troubles with his microphone. Well, Juan, did you think about your situation, your decision, or not? Oh, Omar is here.
teacher, voy manejando, sorry.
Ay, ok, Omar, let me know, ok, siempre avísame cuando sea así, ok, para que yo también esté sabedor. Well, guys, it was a great practice. I just listened to Hector, sadly, but I'm really happy, guys, that we practice, at least we try to practice these past modals. Remember, guys, they are really important. So try to practice at home, try to do some practices, and also, guys, look for some speaking practices to continue using this topic. Guys, just before we go, let me give you important information. Please, guys, finish with the last two activities of this unit. The last activities, guys, are 4.2.2 and 4.2.3, okay? About past models and what would you have done, okay? Also, guys, please take the exam for unit 3 and 4, okay? This is the last, well, this is the second exam, guys. This is the second exam that we have to take. So please take it, guys, before Monday. Remember that we continue classes on Monday. And guys, on Monday, INSA4 will be checking 75% of progress. I will say it in Spanish, okay, to be clear. Guys, recuerden que el lunes INSA4 va a estar revisando que hayamos completado 75% de todas las actividades de la plataforma. Así que, please, guys, traten de completar al menos para el lunes, para el examen 3 y 4, porque ya el lunes es la última semana de clases del intermedio 3. Así que hagamos todo lo posible, guys, pues de completar estas actividades y ir al día. ¿Ok? So, guys, I was happy to practice with
Teacher,
you. Yes, Omar?
I have a problem with the activity de report speech. No,
Okay.
no he podido pasar.
Ok,
No,
en ese caso, Omar, en ese caso envíalo al grupo de WhatsApp donde estamos todos, porque así para que todos nos podamos ayudar, ¿ok? Yo me acuerdo que me lo enviaste a mí, yo ya no te respondí, lo siento, se me fue ahí, pero mándalo al grupo para que también, en caso que yo no te logré ayudar, porque sí te escribí, te respondí al principio, pero no te puedo dar las respuestas, eso sí, así que maybe your classmates can help us, ¿ok?
Gracias.
You're welcome. So guys,
course.
it was nice to see you today. See you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.